Beneath our feet lies an entire universe, a living, breathing ecosystem that supports all life on Earth. Soil isn't just dirt. It's the foundation of life, a complex network that feeds plants, stores carbon, and cleans our water. But this foundation is fragile. When soil is degraded, ecosystems crumble. The question is, how can we restore it? Look beneath your feet. The ground we walk on holds the key to life itself. Soil is the foundation of our ecosystems, the source of our food, and a vital player in the fight against climate change. Yet much of our planet's soil is degraded, eroded, lifeless, and unable to support the ecosystems it once nurtured. The good news, we can heal it. In this episode, we'll show you simple, practical techniques to restore healthy soil, including biochar, compost, and the power of the soil food web. Healthy soil is more than just dirt. It's a living system. It stores carbon, retains water, and supports plants and animals that make up our ecosystems. Did you know that 1 teaspoon of healthy soil contains more microorganisms than there are people on Earth? When soil thrives, ecosystems thrive. Healthy soil is alive. It's a community of organisms, bacteria, fungi, insects, and more, all working together to break down organic matter, recycle nutrients, and create structure. And it's not just microbes. Fungi, particularly mycorrhizal fungi, form networks with plant roots, breaking down organic matter and even parent rock to feed plants essential nutrients like phosphorus. This is the soil food web, a complex system of organisms working together to sustain life. Think of soil as nature's pantry. It stores the nutrients plants need to grow, provides habitats for countless organisms, and holds water like a sponge. Without healthy soil, ecosystems cannot thrive. Soil isn't just plants. It's the foundation for entire ecosystems. Healthy soil stores carbon and helps to regulate the climate. It filters water, ensuring clean rivers and lakes, and it supports biodiversity from microbes to mammals. 1 gram of healthy soil can hold billions of microorganisms, each playing a role in creating a resilient ecosystem. This handful of soil is more than just dirt. It's a living system, essential for life above and below ground. In our Super Brew fertilizer video, we demonstrate how to brew a liquid packed with microbes that enhances the web, feeding plants naturally and improving soil health. When soil is degraded, it loses its structure, its microbial life, and its ability to support plants. Overtilling breaks its structure, overgrazing strips it of vegetation, and excessive chemical use disrupts the soil food web. In the past century, we've lost 1/3 of the world's topsoils. This is a crisis of food security, biodiversity, and climate stability. Over 1/3 of the world's soils are degraded. Intensive farming, deforestation, and urban sprawl have stripped soil of their nutrients, leaving them barren and unable to support life. When soil degrades, the entire ecosystem suffers. Plants can't grow, water doesn't absorb, and biodiversity disappears. But the good news is, soil can be healed. Restoring soil doesn't require expensive tools or advanced technology. Here are 4 simple techniques you can start today. Restoring our soil health is about working with nature. Adding organic matter like compost or biochar replenishes nutrients. Planting cover crops prevents erosion and feeds the soil organisms. And reducing tillage preserves the soil's structure, allowing life to thrive. Composting transforms organic waste into nutrient-rich humus that feeds the soil and builds microbial life. By adding compost, you're kick-starting the soil ecosystem. Even small actions like composting kitchen scraps or planting native species can make a big difference. Biochar is a game changer for degraded soils. Made by heating organic material in low oxygen conditions, biochar acts like a sponge, holding water and nutrients while providing a habitat for microbes and fungi. We covered this in depth in our biochar video, where we demonstrated how to make it yourself. Tilling disrupts the soil structure and kills beneficial microbes. By reducing tillage or switching to no-till farming, you protect the soil and its microbial life. Chop and drop is a simple, natural technique that mimics what happens in healthy ecosystems. By cutting back plants and leaving the cuttings as mulch, you're returning nutrients to the soil, feeding the soil microbiome, and protecting the ground from erosion and moisture loss. This process creates a continuous cycle of growth and regeneration. Mulching is a critical practice for soil health. By adding a layer of organic material like straw, leaves, or wood chips, you're protecting the soil from extreme temperatures, conserving moisture, and suppressing weeds. Mulch also slowly breaks down, enriching the soil with organic matter, supporting microbial activity. Both chop and drop and mulching are powerful techniques to keep your soil healthy and thriving. They protect the soil, feed microbial life, and help plants grow strong, all while reducing waste and working in harmony with nature. Start small, trying to add mulch to your garden, practice chop and drop with your weeds. These simple techniques can make a big difference in building healthy, living soil. Cover crops like clover and rye protect the soil, prevent erosion, and even fix nutrients like nitrogen. They also create organic matter that feeds fungi and microbes. By increasing the diversity of plants in your cover crop, you support a greater variety of species in the soil microbiome. These techniques are not just theories, they work. You don't need large farms to restore soil. Start composting at home, plant native species in your garden, or make biochar using local materials. Small efforts add up to a healthier planet. Healthy soil is the foundation for a thriving planet. By restoring soil, we restore life itself. Subscribe to Planet Healers for more tips and inspiration to heal the planet and yourself. Share this video and spread the message.